I'm trying to find something that we can make for lunch today. A chicken recipe, ham hock recipe.
You know, I was thinking now that it's kind of like fall, winter season, the Moules Marinière.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's mussel cooked usually in white wine. There's another recipe also in Canada that is with beer. There's like herbs, shallots. It's
Do we
very
have
good.
white wine?
I don't think so. We have like beer recipe, white wine recipe. I think we have champagne. How about we do champagne based broth?
Champagne.
Moules Marinière au champagne. Sounds good.
Sounds really good. We can serve it with the homemade bread you did this morning.
And of course, fries, because it's moules frites.
French fries.
Exactly.
Okay.
French fries.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Let's make it.
Yeah. So first, make sure that they are still alive. Shake them a little bit and make sure that all of them are closed or closing. If they are still open, throw them away. You don't want to use them. We're going to clean them with a brush, take off the beard, scrub them very well, and then put them in the water. You put some flour in the water. When you will put your mussel in it, they will spill out all the sand. And it won't have like this grainy kind of taste. Let them soak for 20 minutes. Every 30 seconds, you want to shake your pan like this for 5 minutes. Then when all of them are open, it's good to go, they're cooked. Look at that, some of them are already open. Good. Perfect. Beautiful, oh my gosh.
What are you doing?
We are going to reserve those in a different pan. We're gonna finish our sauce. We need all the mussel out. You can't have mussel without fries, right?
I'm gonna deep fry them.
Yes, so we're gonna
It's like Texas style.
Absolutely. I'm making a quick aioli, little sauce with your fries. Amazing. Garlic, lemon juice, and the mayo, of course.
Yeah.
We're going to use our own bread today, the one that I did this morning. Very freshy. It smells so good. Make some toast.
That homemade bread dipped in this wine shallot sauce.
I mean, this is heaven. Description of it. Smell the dough.
Oh
Smell
my
the
gosh.
crust. It's amazing.
It's your famous recipe. It
is my famous recipe.
Yeah.
So it's very important to crack your fresh salt when the fries are getting just out of the grease and still hot, sizzling, you know what I mean? So that the salt can get in.
Cutest husband alive.
You grab a mussel, you dip it in the broth.
It's good.
Amazing.
Oh wow.
While you do this, grab a piece and literally soak your bread in the broth. Bye-bye.
I hope I know how to do this. So I get my mussel out of here, dip it in the juice. Okay, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's amazing. The wine, the champagne.
Oh yeah.
We did champagne mussels.
Absolutely.
Have you ever done that?
No, never. First.
Oh my gosh, babe. Amazing. Well, I'm just gonna keep eating.